Now let us consider the case how we can make use of the frequencies when we observe certain behavior in the process model. This is the topic of automatic process discovery relating to heuristic mining. We again see the example that we have seen before, but if you now look at the traces, you will see that there are numbers associated with them. We observe that one particular type of trace is being executed 75 times, another one 12 times, a third one also 12 times, and a final one only once. Having such frequency information is very valuable to process mining, since we can make use of these frequencies when we construct a process model from it. Here you see an overview of how it works. The idea is that we take into account the frequency of the traces. As a first step, we count their occurrences, and this provides us with the basis for identifying the dependencies and eventually constructing the dependency graph. How does this work? We now consider other types of relationships associated with the frequency. The first step is again to identify direct successor relations. This is what we already used to do for the alpha algorithm. What is different now, we count how often they occur. And this is the basis for us then to calculate a so-called dependency measure. This dependency measure informs us how strong the relationship between those activities is and in how far they occur in a particular order. If you look at the formula to understand how the relationship between A and B is actually being represented in this dependency measure, you will find that when A is always leading to B and B never leading to A, that the amount of occurrences of A followed by B is what you see in the denominator. And this is then being divided by the number of occurrences that we again see A being followed by B plus number 1. Why is there this 1? The idea of the 1 is that in case that we have a strict relationship where we do not have any counter direction, that we can use this 1 to avoid subdividing by 0 in order to make sure that this is a mathematically sound formula.